So for collinear points, I'm going to share a screen here. See that. Now collinear points, that is condition for collinear points. Condition for collinear points. Suppose if you have three complex numbers, that is Z1, comma Z2 and Z3. You have three complex numbers. Then how to show that they are collinear? So Z1 equal to x1 plus I1 and Z2 is x2 plus y2 and Z3 is x plus x3 plus iy3. So ఈ మూడిట్లో ఏమంటామంటే say A. This point is A, this one is B, this one is C. అంటే Z1 నే A అంటాం, Z2 is B and Z3 is C. Right? So are respectively collinear, then the area of triangle ABC is 0. ఈ condition satisfy అవ్వాలి if they are collinear. So already you might have studied in your 10th class, that is area of triangle ABC. If you have 3 points, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2 and x3 y3, then the area of triangle ABC value is half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y, this will be y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. So if you take 2 this side, that is 2 into 0 0, so you will get final game vastundi, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 equal to 0. This you can put it in a determinant form, that is determinant first column x1 x2 x3, second column y1 y2 y3, third column 1 1 1 equal to 0. So you have to show that if the given points are collinear, means you should get that this determinant value must be equal to 0 raval. Understood? So now example, prove that the points in the organ plane represented by the complex numbers 1 plus 4i, then 2 plus 7i and 3 plus 10i are collinear. So this point is A, this one is B, then third one is C. So same solution, let the given complex numbers be A equal to 1 plus 4i. So 1 and a real part and 4 is the imaginary part. Then B equal to 2 plus 7i. So 2 is the real part and 7 is the imaginary part. Okay. So similarly C equal to 3 plus 10i. C plus 10i. So here extra is there. We'll remove this. So 3 plus 10i. You can write this as real part is 3 and then imaginary part is 10. So 3 comma 10. So you have these points. Okay. Now condition for collinear. What is the formula? Determinant x1 x2 x3. So this is x1, this one is x1 and this one is x2 and this one is x3. So you have to put first column 1 2 3. Now second column, now this one is y1 y1 and 7 is y2 and 10 is y3. So you have to put second column as 4 7 10 and last column ikkada undi ikkada formula lo 1 1 1. You have to put same. Now you have to simplify using already manam chesam determinants. You have done this. So ela chestam ikkada, this is equal to this one plus minus plus plus minus plus. So plus ante 1 into this one, 7 into 1 jar, 7 1 jar is 7 minus 1 10 jar. So you get 7 minus 10. Then here minus is there. So minus into 4, 4 into 2 into 1. 2 1 jar is 2. Then 1 3 jar is 3. Then plus 1 into you get 2 10 jar. 2 10 jar is 20. 3 7 jar is 21. So you will get, so this will be you'll get, so 1 into, now 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 will get minus 3. So minus 3, then 2 minus 3 will get minus 1. 20 minus 21 will get minus 1. Okay. Am all of you understood? Students?
Yes, sir.
Right. So 1 minus 3 is, you will get minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 1 you will get plus 4. Plus 1 into minus 1 you will get minus 1. So em vastundi manaki 4 minus 1 is plus 3 will get. You will get minus 3 plus 4 minus 1, you'll get 3. So plus 3 minus 3, you'll get, that is 3 minus 3 is, answer is 0. So therefore, the given complex numbers are collinear, right? So next, so with that, we are ending that first chapter. So in first chapter, what you have, in first chapter, what you have done? In first chapter, what you have done? You have defined the definition of complex number. Then you have found the real and imaginary parts of a complex numbers. Then conjugate of a complex number. Then condition for collinear, and then square, rectangle, parallelogram, and also distance between, how to find the distance between two complex numbers. Now in second chapter, that is in second unit, you have De Moivre's theorem. So spelling is DEMYVRES, De Moivre's theorem. So in exam, they will ask you what they will ask you? They will ask you to this statement. Statement they will ask. So what is the statement? Statement is, if n is an integer, positive or negative, then cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Now second one, if n is a fraction, then cos n theta plus I sin n theta is one of the values of cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. అంటే ఈ n అన్నది, ఈ పవర్ n అన్నది మనకు theta ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి. So you see here, left hand side is what? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin theta by using De Moivre's theorem. Okay, so we are in coming problems we will use this. Now results, see here, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus n equal to, now cos, this you have to bring this side, because as you know in trigonometry you have cos of minus theta is minus cos theta, minus cos theta. Now sin of, okay, so cos of minus theta and actually got a plus వస్తుంది. Cos of minus theta will become plus cos theta, and then sin of minus theta is, you'll get minus sin theta, minus sin theta. So here cos of n theta, that is when you take minus sign here, cos minus, by using De Moivre's theorem, cos of minus n theta you will get cos n theta వస్తుంది. Here first term will be cos n theta, then sin plus I into sin of minus n theta, that will become minus, because sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus n అంటే ఏం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి? Cos n theta minus I sin n theta. If it is positive, n value is positive, then you will get cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Now second one is denominator, 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. So you can take to numerator, it will power, whole power ఏమవుతుంది? Whole power will become minus 1. This power will become minus 1. When you take minus 1 inside, you will get cos theta. So I told you sin of minus theta and minus, so cos theta minus I sin theta. Now third one, 1 by cos theta minus I sin theta. This you can take, this equal to whole power cos theta minus I sin theta whole power minus 1. Again take minus inside, so this will be cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta will get plus cos theta. So minus, ఇక్కడ already minus ఉంది కాబట్టి when it becomes minus, minus minus plus అవుతుంది. So cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so next note is given here, you have to remember this. Cos theta 1, this is angle theta 1, angle theta 2. Now cos theta 1, this is one complex number, cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1, polar form అన్నమాట ఇది. Cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2 equal to, you can write this as theta 1 plus theta 2, cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2. Now when you are multiplying two complex numbers in polar form, when you are dividing, it will be cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I sin of theta 1 minus theta 2 you will get. Okay, so next we'll go to the problems. Find the value of, first problem, find the value of cos 15 degree plus I sin 15 whole power 6. So by you have to use the De Moivre's theorem. So here n value is 6. Take n inside, that is cos 15 plus I sin 15 whole power 6. You will get, when you take inside by using De Moivre's theorem. So cos 6 into 15. So 15 into 6 is what you will get? What is 15 into 6? Students, 15 6 ఏమొస్తుంది? Are you listening? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 15 6 jar is you'll get 90 degrees. So 15 6 jar is 90. So you'll get cos 90 plus I sin 90. So what is cos 90 value? By using trigonometric table. Table you know the table 0 round in table. Already you might have studied in 10th class. That is you'll get
Yes, sir.
this one 0. Then this one 30, 45. So it will come in trigonometry. Okay. So likewise you will get 90 degrees. So sin ikkada on the cos 90. Cos 90 value is 0. Cos 90 value 0 plus I into, now what is sin 90 value? Sin 90 value will become 1. So 0 plus I into 1. I into 1 jar and you will get I. Right? So next one, if x equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now what is x here? Given in the problem x equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. So now you need to find x square. What is x square here? X square equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha whole square. Apply De Moivre's theorem. That is, you have to take n value inside with angle. So when you take n value inside here, it will be cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha by using De Moivre's theorem here. So now next term you have to find 1 by x square. Now what is 1 by x square? 1 by cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha. So when you take this one up, you'll get 1 by cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha. This is what? Okay. Whole power 1. Whole power 1. So this, when it becomes numerator, it will become cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha whole power minus 1. Whole power minus 1. So when it goes minus 1 inside, you will get cos 2 alpha minus I sin 2 alpha. Okay. So next one. So you got the x square value and then 1 by x square. What you have to do? You have to add both x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square equal to, you get cos 2 alpha plus, so these both you have to add 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 you have to do. So cos 2 alpha plus I sin 2 alpha, first one, plus cos 2 alpha minus I sin 2 alpha. What you will get? This plus I sin 2 alpha and then this minus I sin 2 alpha cancel. So cos 2 alpha plus cos 2 alpha is there. So we'll get 2 cos 2 alpha. So x square plus 1 by x square value is 2 cos 2 alpha. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubts?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so next go to the next problem. Third one.
Yeah.
If A equal to cos x plus I sin x and then B equal to,
The video is not clear, sir.
which screen is not clear?
క్లియర్ సార్ బాగా వస్తుంది.
అందరికి కనిపిస్తుందండి. చూడు నెట్వర్కింగ్ ఏమైనా బయటకు రా, సిగ్నల్ లేదేమో. For all of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, screen is visible on your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if A equal to third problem, see, if A equal to cos x plus I sin x, B equal to cos y plus I sin y, you have to find AB and 1 by AB. AB means what? You have to do multiplication. This one and this. Division 1 by AB. That is a multiplication 1 by AB. Both you have to find. So given what you have given here in problem, given A equal to cos x plus B sin x and then B equal to cos y plus I sin y. You have to multiply this. So cos x plus I sin x into cos y plus I sin y. So AB equal to this, x is one angle and y is another angle. So previous ka cheppam kada already, previous formula, what is that? If you multiply here, already this problem is there. A previous ka cheppam man result lo ela undi ikkada. If it is cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. అంటే theta 1 is one more angle, theta 2 is another angle. సో ఇక్కడ ఏముంది మనకి, ఇక్కడ x ఉంది ఇక్కడ. This is in place of theta 1 you have x, in place of theta 2 you have y. So what you will get, this is nothing but definition చెప్పాము by De Moivre's theorem కింద నోట్ దగ్గర చూడండి. So you will get, when you multiply this you will get cos of theta 1 plus, you have to add the angles, cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2. So when you are adding angles, so here theta 1 place lo undi ikkada x, so cos of x plus y, here x plus y. So that is what I have given here. See, AB equal to cos of x plus y plus I into sin of x plus y by using that result. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have next one. So AB is over. Next you have to find 1 by AB. So already AB మనం కనుక్కున్నాం. AB equal to what? AB is cos of x plus y plus I sin of x plus y. Now you have to divide this. That is 1 by AB. So 1 by AB అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? 1 by cos of x plus y plus I into sin of x plus y. So when it becomes to numerator, this will become cos of x plus y plus I into sin of x plus y. So this is whole power ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? whole power minus 1. So whole power minus 1 వచ్చినప్పుడు when you then again you have to apply De Moivre's theorem, it will be minus 1 into plus. So ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? You will get minus. So cos of x plus y minus I into sin of x plus y. అర్థమైంది అందరికీ? ఎలా వచ్చింది అది? Understood everyone? సో బికాస్ డినామినేటర్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ సి ప్రీవియస్ గా చూసాం మనం. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ప్రీవియస్ రిజల్ట్స్ లో చూడండి 1 by cos theta minus I sin theta అంటే ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి? ఇక్కడ సి ద సెకండ్ వన్, 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta, you will get cos theta plus I sin theta whole power minus 1 equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. సేమ్ థింగ్ we applied there. సో అక్కడ ఏముంది మనకి? 1 by AB ఉంది, అంటే 1 by cos of x plus y plus I into sin of x plus y. theta plus లో ఉంది అక్కడ x plus y. సో ఫైనల్ గా ఏమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ? cos of x plus y, because when it goes to numerator it will become whole power minus 1. So cos of x plus y minus I into sin of x plus y. Okay, so next one, so that is the third problem. Now fourth one, simplify cos 5 theta plus I sin into 5 theta by cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta. So ఇది ఎలా చేస్తాం మనం? ఫస్ట్ న్యూమరేటర్ యూ హావ్ టు సింప్లిఫై. న్యూమరేటర్ ఈక్వల్ టు బై యూజింగ్ De Moivre's theorem అంటే బ్యాక్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? ఇక్కడ n వాల్యూ 5 ఉంది. సో cos 5 theta plus I sin 5 theta can be written as by using De Moivre's theorem cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 5. అలాగే బై డినామినేటర్ cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta can be written as, ఇక్కడ n value, what is n value here? n value is 3. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 3. So when you take to next step, when you take to this, so same ఉంది మనకి బేస్ cos theta plus I sin theta, denominator also cos theta plus I sin theta. So కింద denominator ఏం చేయాలి మనం? Take it to numerator. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 3 will become minus 3. So పైకి numerator వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది మనకి? minus 3 వస్తుంది. Since bases are same, you can add, that is 5 minus 3. Next step you will get 5 minus 3. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 5 and 3 చేస్తే ఎంత? You will get 2. Again apply De Moivre's theorem. Again apply De Moivre's theorem. So De Moivre's theorem apply చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? Again go, so n value here is 2. So cos theta will become cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. So final value will get this one. Okay, ఎవరికైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఫోర్త్ ప్రాబ్లం లో స్టూడెంట్స్? Okay, so next one, fifth one, simplify. Again see here, simplify using De Moivre's theorem cos 3 theta minus I sin 3 theta whole power 5 into cos 4 theta plus I sin 4 theta whole power 4 by cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta whole power 7 into cos 3 theta minus I sin 3 theta whole power 6. సో ఏం చేయాలి మనం ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా మేక్ ఇట్ ప్లస్. ఈ మైనస్ ఏం చేయాలి ప్లస్ చేయాలి. అలాగే 3 యూ హావ్ టు టేక్ అవుట్ బై యూజింగ్ డిమోస్ థియరం. ఇక్కడ ఏం 3 ఉంది. సో 3ని బయటకు వచ్చేయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ cos theta plus I sin theta because I removed minus 3 out. So minus 3 into 5. So minus 3 into 5. So minus 3 into 5 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి, you will get minus 15.
minus 50.
15. That's what I have written here. Minus 15. Next one, see. ఇక్కడ already plus ఉంది కాబట్టి no need to disturb this sign. Plus keep it as it is. Only thing you have to remove plus 4. That is 4 you have to remove. So 4 బయటకు వచ్చేసి ఏమొస్తుంది 4 into 4. So 4 jar is what?
Is
16. Okay. Next second denominator చూడండి. Denominator లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ plus 2 theta. ఇక్కడ plus ఉంది కాబట్టి you no need to disturb the sign. Only thing you need to remove 2. So 2 remove. So denominator లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ 7 into 2. So 7 2 jar ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి 14.
14.
Next step you see here. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇక్కడ సైన్ వచ్చి మైనస్ ఉంది. సో రిమూవ్ దట్ మైనస్ సైన్ మనం రిమూవ్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ దీని ప్లేస్ లో you will get
minus
plus.
3 into 6.
So minus 3 into 6, that is 6 into minus 3. 6 into minus 3, you will get minus 18.
Minus 18.
So these things, okay, Advaita, this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the step that is I have written here. Now what you do? Anta same ga undi, cos theta plus I sin theta is same. What you do? You add all these powers. So numerator lo undi minus 15 as it is. Ikkada kuda plus 16 undi. కానీ వెన్ అక్కడ డినామినేటర్ లో ఉన్నాయి పైకి వెళ్ళే అనుకోండి పవర్స్, ఈ పవర్ పైకి వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది 14 విల్ బికమ్ minus 14, this will become minus 18 will become plus 18.
Plus 18.
So now you add this. So ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి టర్మ్స్ plus 16 and plus 18. Plus 16 plus 18 ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి, what is plus 16 plus 18?
24.
18 not 8. You will get 34.
30.
వస్తుంది 34 వస్తుంది. తర్వాత నెగిటివ్ టర్మ్స్ చూడండి. నెగిటివ్ టర్మ్స్ ఏమున్నాయి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ 15 minus 14.
29.
So you will get minus
20.
29. So 34 plus 29. So 34 and 29 yes, you will get 34 minus 29. ఏం వస్తుంది
5.
5. 34 and 29 వేస్తే 5. So that is what I have written here. Okay. So this is 5. So again apply De Moivre's theorem, take 5 inside, you will get cos 5 theta plus I sin 5 theta. Is it clear this problem to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So next one, next problem, prove that cos theta plus I sin theta by sin theta plus I cos theta whole power 4 equal to cos 8 theta plus I sin 8 theta. So దీన్ని again ఈ fraction లా ఉంది, దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే we'll change it to De Moivre's so that you can apply De Moivre's theorem. సో పైన మనం న్యూమరేటర్ చూడండి cos theta plus I sin it, ఇది బానే ఉంది. కానీ డినామినేటర్ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ sin theta ఉంది. యాక్చువల్గా ఏముండాలి అంటే I టర్మ్ I ముందు sin theta ఉండాలి. మన జనరల్ గా పోలార్ ఫామ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది cos theta plus I sin theta. Then you can say that this is a complex form, this is a complex number. కానీ ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ లో ఏముంది, ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఏముంది sin theta ఉంది, sin theta ఉంది ప్లస్ I cos theta ఉంది, I cos theta. So this I should come here. సో ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు, I అన్నది ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి. సో దానికి ఏం చేస్తామంటే we'll do some model adjustments, some adjustments here. What you do is take a left hand side because we want to show that left hand side equal to right hand side. So LHS equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. What you do is multiply both sides by I తో multiply చేస్తాం inside this. So first I, numerator I, no, we no need to disturb this one. So take I out. So that is I power 4. కానీ కింద I ఏం చేస్తాం, will multiply. So this will become, denominator will become sin theta into I. It will become I sin theta plus I into I. What is I into I? I square. I into I ఏం వస్తుంది I square. What is I square value? Minus 1. So you will become plus will become minus. So I sin minus I sin theta minus cos theta, right? So what is I power 4 value? I square ante -1 antam. What is I power 4 value? It will become 1 because I
1.
square ante -1. So I square is -1 whole square. So I power 4 equal to, you can write this as I power 4 equal to I square whole square. Avuna? I square whole square. So I square ante -1 square. So -1 square ante you'll get +1.
1.
You'll get +1. Right? So that is, then this become cos theta plus I sin theta by cos theta plus I sin theta by minus, what you do is we'll write this one as first one. So minus cos theta plus I sin theta. I written first, this one as second. So denominator lo interchange chesam, numerator em disturb cheyaledu manam. Okay, so next step, that is equal to 1 into cos theta plus I sin theta by, so what I have done in denominator, I have taken minus common. So minus common chesam, minus of cos theta. Since I have taken minus out, this plus will become minus. Plus will become minus I sin theta, because minus into minus you'll get plus only. So when you take minus sign in outside, already it is power 4. See, minus power 4. Minus power 4 ఏమొస్తుంది? minus 1 power 4 అంటే you'll get only positive plus. Okay, you'll get only positive. So
1.
no need to write. Next step. So what I taken? I taken minus out because I am also not writing 1 also. So into numerator is cos theta plus I sin theta by cos theta minus out. So you'll get cos theta cos theta ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ? Cos theta, what I have done, I have removed minus sign out. Minus sign తీసేయాలంటే ఏం చేస్తాం? Cos theta plus I sin theta whole power -1 by using De Moivre's theorem. In denominator, what I have done, cos theta minus I sin theta ఉంటుంది. So cos theta minus I sin theta can be written as cos theta plus I sin theta whole power -1, because I want to see this both signs are equal. Okay, so next step, what I have done, I have taken inside numerator. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power, ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ మనకి ఏముంటుంది, cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1 in numerator. So when denominator, if you take to numerator, -1 will become +1. So 1 plus 1. So what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. So now 4 to jar. 4 to jar is 8. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 8. Again apply De Moivre's theorem. You will get equal to cos 8 theta plus I sin theta. This is equal to right hand side. This is how you have to do this. Any doubts in this problem?
No,
Students?
sir.
ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాలేదు ఎనీ స్టెప్? All of you okay?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, right. Say you have to respond whenever I'm asking question. You have to respond. Okay. So with this, I think today's session I am going to wind up. If you have any doubts here, De Moivre's theorem.
No, sir.
No sir అని
No,
చెప్తున్నారు
sir.
కానీ హోంవర్క్ చేయట్లేదు అక్కడ. You are not doing homework. ఎంతమంది చేస్తున్నారు? ఓన్లీ 20 పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ వచ్చారు చూడండి, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ నిద్రపోతున్నారా? ఓకే, సో మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా చూస్తున్నారా? ఆల్రెడీ ఐఎమ్ రికార్డింగ్ దిస్ సెషన్.